Okay, I'm going to open my Mother's Day present, which is pen pastels, the whole set. And I'm going to go ahead and record it and just do it. And nobody's here yet, or at least they're not talking. I didn't give them much warning. Okay, this is the first time I'm going to open the box. Well, second time I'm going to open the box because I tossed a couple things in here and then I shut it. Okay. So this is the full set of 80 with stuff that has some tools in here too. Okay, let me see if I can get this. Oh, the lid to stay up. That's okay. That's a challenge. I need a clamp. Here's one. Okay, let me see if I can get this lid out of the way. I'm going to clamp it to the tripod. Okay, there we go. That worked. All right. Okay, so I tossed in this and this. Extra sponge covers, and this is the colorless blender. I'm assuming you use that like you do with color pencils. We'll see. I don't know anything about these things. All right, so that's that. And then all the tools, applicator tips, different shaped sponges, a big sponge, some more different shapes. These are like wedgies. That's kind of neat. Some small tips. And, oh, hello, this broke open. These are all the knives that you put the sponges on, I assume. I really have no idea. I think I need a box to put these things in. They're falling all over. Oh, here we go. Get a little corral for these things. There we go. In here. There we go. That's better now. They're not falling everywhere. Okay, I guess this is a lid for when you want to stack them. The little tiny brushes. A little book. Has all the colors in it. Okay. Bubble wrap. That's going away. Save that for painting. And here are the trays. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I got this through Amazon. Oh, and of course, there goes the phone. Hold on. Hello? Okay, come on. Okay. All right, bye. Sorry about that. Mom's coming over. I won't be on here very long. Okay, so this is the full set. So it's going to start with the pale cream and go to the reds, and there's greens. Gorgeous. And they're not broken. Yay. That's what I was a little concerned with, that they might be broken. But nope. More bubble wrap for painting. Ooh. Gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Sound is low. Oh, that was probably just me. I wasn't talking up. I'm mumbling. Sorry, Dorothy. Aren't these beautiful? Oh my goodness. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Like I said, I can't be here long. Mom's coming over. We're going to do lunch. I just wanted to record this, and I couldn't wait any longer to open these. I got them yesterday, and I just couldn't wait to open them. Beautiful greens. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at that. Whoa. Beautiful. And I went for the whole set because, well, y'all know me. I have to have a whole set of everything. When I go into something, I go into it whole hog. So, oh, look at that. All the animal colors. I've got a tiger, a lemur, a lion, and I've forgotten what the other animal was. Panther, I think. Oh, I don't remember. Anyway, that's on my list to do, so hopefully I can use these. I have some lessons from Jason Morgan online, and he has been doing pastel pencils and using pen pastels. So he's going to teach me how to do this. I'm going to open one of those up in just a minute. Okay, let me get the box out of the way, and I'm sorry if I shake the camera in the process. Kind of can't be helped at the moment. All right, move the box. Now, let me bring one of these over here. I want to open one of these containers. They all looked intact, so that's good. They were well packaged and well treated. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. And these all slip out like that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I cannot wait to play with these. I'll probably record. I don't know if I'll stream, but I'll record for sure. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh. Anyway, I wanted to get online and, hi Eileen, and show you guys that I did it. I went for it. The whole set. Now I can do anything I want. I can do faces, I can do aminals, I can do all kinds of critters and scenery and yeah, everything. So hopefully that will be extremely helpful. The tools to start with. So yay. Okay, so yeah, I'm sorry I hop on and I hop right off. I just wanted to get this recorded and go ahead and open them, and so I can play a little bit later in the afternoon. So yeah, well, I won't be here long either, so I'm gonna head out like right now. So it's a very short stream. I will upload to YouTube, and you can, I mean, it's gonna be watching it like that, right? So yay, but I just wanted to let y'all know I had got these and then open them so I can play. So yes, Eileen, I know. Yeah. So yeah, all the pretty colors. Now I don't have the metallics. I don't know that I need the metallics. I guess I'll figure that out later. But anyway, yes, they're gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So, okay, so I've got to head out. Mom's on her way, and we're going to do lunch and have a visit, and then I get to play. All right, thanks for stopping in, and sorry I have to run real fast, but I just wanted to do this real quick. So, thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out for a minute. Bye.